I'll just wait till it's perfect. Then I'll file the patent on it. Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And if I had a nickel every time I've heard that, no, you will actually never file your patent application if you're waiting for it to be perfect. As an engineer, a technical founder, an inventor, you're always going to be innovating, always going to be improving, iterating, updating, changing your invention. It'll never be perfect. So now's the time. As soon as you've got something that's implementable, got it to where you can define it and then explain it to someone like yourself so that they could go build it, file a patent on it. Okay. Now don't do it without looking first, right? Do the patent search, work with a patent attorney, get it drafted and filed correctly. I hear this objection a lot. I want to wait till it's just right. Oh, I'm not ready yet. It's not the way I want it. Well, don't take my word for it. There are 3 really good examples out there, big stories, companies you've heard of that have taken this lesson and shown that they've taken action, right? They're not just stayed pensive, hesitant, they took action. So Elon Musk, of course, Tesla's first Roadster. Remember that? It wasn't perfect. In fact, they had a lot of battery issues, reliability problems, but their early patents on electric vehicle transmission and drivetrain, those made way for them becoming a global EV leader. Okay, example number 2 is Dyson. Dyson vacuums, 5,000 prototypes before finalizing his vacuum. But he didn't wait to file. He kept iterating, making those small incremental adjustments, filing patents all along the way to begin to build his fence to where no one has a vacuum that looks like a Dyson vacuum. Okay, last example, Nintendo. They filed patents on their early handheld systems. Think about the Game Boy, and that evolved into still protecting what they have today with the Nintendo Switch. So by protecting all along the way, not perfect, protecting what's not perfect, because it's good enough, it's big enough impact, big enough a market to get that potential for later growth. Don't think that you're going to have one invention and be done. This is a common misconception. Oftentimes you need to file multiple patents, child patents, continuation patents to fully fence away, fully get your whole rights, what your invention portfolio and what the extent it really has. So don't wait till it's perfect. Think about filing right now. Get a hold of us at boldpatents.com and schedule your free discovery call today. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.